I'm gonna play ball with him. Oliver, look! Go fetch! How about again? Whoa! Let me get it. Yeah, I did not know that cats could like chase after stuff like that. Come here. Oliver! Hey! Go! Oh, she's so cute. Oliver. Let me untangle it. Look! Look! Oliver. I get his attention sometimes. Oliver. Hey. Look, look. Be careful. Come here, get it. Oliver. Look, look. What is it? What is it? These are my earbuds that he's getting. Oh, be careful. Yeah. Want the ball? Want the ball? Okay. Yeah, because I got these at the store. What about this? Look. No, I'm just putting it down, buddy. You like the ball? Oliver, go fetch. Oliver. Are you looking for the ball? Let me get it. Hang on a second. Okay. Oliver. Hey. Go. It's over here. Oliver. Look. Oliver. You were doing it before. What you doing? Oliver. Hey. Oliver. Look. Oh, the ball's right there. It's right there. What you doing? Oh, right there. Come here. Yeah. Oh. Go fetch. I gotta show this to my sister.